The most effective method to lower your risk of falling according to the newest findings. Hello, my name is Oz. I've been a physical therapist for 3 decades and I focus on guiding people with balance issues to learn how to walk again. A 2023 research project funded by the National Institutes of Health examined which exercises are best to enhance walking, reduce fall risk, and boost balance. The study evaluated strength training, balance drills, combinations of both, and many common routines people might attempt hoping to improve their steadiness. What the research revealed was that the most effective option is doing both strengthening and balance movements together. I hope this video was useful. Hit subscribe if you'd like more content like this. When you pair these types, you capture all the major advantages of resistance training and balance work, and that combination gives the greatest overall likelihood of cutting down your chances of falling, supporting your ability to walk well into older age, and enhancing your mobility. The study also noted that strength training alone doesn't lower fall risk, but it does help if you become unsteady. If you're bumped or start to wobble, the power of your leg muscles helps you recover. So while building strength is essential, the study showed that relying only on it still leaves your fall risk nearly the same as if you were inactive. That's why you need to pair it with activities that challenge balance. Such balance-focused movements include standing on one leg, stepping over items, practicing Tai Chi, or standing Pilates. These exercises both improve stability and build strength. They work by pushing your balance system, which sharpens proprioception, your sense of where your legs are in space. They also upgrade coordination and make you fitter when stepping over things or moving across uneven ground. So the best plan if you want to sharpen balance and prevent falls is combining strength routines with balance challenging activities. Now I'll demonstrate 6 exercises you can do at home to build both power and balance. First, we'll do side stepping. Take hold of your chair and take a big step sideways. Bring your other foot in, then step the other way and bring that foot in. The target is to do this without using the chair, but if that's too difficult, keep one or both hands resting there. This move is excellent. It strengthens the muscles along your hips, the abductors that move your leg outward. More importantly, it lets you rehearse what's called a protective step. When balance is disturbed, people must take a quick step sideways to steady themselves. If you never practice sideways stepping, and most don't, you get rusty. Then, when you must do it to prevent a fall, you can't. Practicing this really builds balance. Research shows it's among the top drills to practice. While doing it, remember to bend your knees. Walking stiff-legged is bad for joints and worsens balance. So always keep them bent. And lift your feet like you're stepping over something. Avoid shuffling. If you start shuffling, hold on. And rest anytime you feel tired. You don't need to last the full 2 minutes. I'm just showing you here, and you can go at any speed or stride length. Still, aim for big steps, at least chair width each side. We're nearly finished. I know it's tiring. Almost done. This should be the last one. And done. Next we'll do weight shift. Hold the back of the chair. Put your weight onto one leg, lift the other slightly to the side, then shift to the other side. This drill trains the skill of weight shifting. Once I learned it, I could help many more clients who shuffled. So many shuffle when they walk. They don't lift their legs or step forward properly. Instead, they drag their feet. Some even slide them on the ground or lean too heavily on walkers or canes to shift weight. Practicing this restores the skill. The goal is to do it hands-free. If you can't, that's okay. Hold with both hands. Later you may get to one hand, then one finger, then none. Keep trying. Balance returns gradually. I rarely see a patient improve in just one session. It usually takes weeks, sometimes months. It depends on your level. Often fear is what holds people back. But by practicing with support nearby, you overcome fear and regain balance. It is possible. I've done it for thousands of clients. Yet many think recovery isn't possible. We're almost done with this drill. Notice I lean over the standing leg. Just 1 or 2 more. And that's it. Now single leg stands. Hold the chair. Shift your weight to one side. Try to let go and balance on one foot. The goal is 20 seconds each side. I'm not holding that long here because most viewers manage only 5 to 10 seconds. Many even drop down instantly. They let go and their foot touches back down. Why? Usually because they don't shift enough. Most who fail don't lean over the standing leg. So if that's you, lean more. For example, on my left leg, I lean left. On the right, I lean right. You may tilt your torso or extend your arm. It's vital to balance on one leg. I often say this is the single best exercise for balance. Research proves balance challenges most improve balance. And this challenges you greatly. If you can stand 20 seconds, your fall risk drops. Those who struggle face higher risk. Practicing it quickly strengthens balance. Rest if tired. You can sit anytime. Just a few more to finish. You may be doing fewer reps than me, but holding longer, which is better. Keep at it, you'll improve over time. Nearly done. That was the last one. Next, heel to toe walking, hold the chair. Face forward and place one foot in front, heel touching toe. Take another step, turn toward the chair, switch direction, repeat heel to toe. Do about 3 steps, I've little room, so that's all here. If you can do 4, go ahead. I could 2 without this bar. Now I'm holding. But the aim is no hands. Progress to walking a few steps free. Keep the chair nearby for safety. As I go, my heel meets my toe. For some, just bringing feet closer is enough challenge. That's fine. Keep practicing at your level. I've seen people only manage that much. Such people usually walk with wide feet. This is a chance to rehearse narrower steps. Normal walking uses nearly 1 foot in front of the other, not heel to toe. But in this drill, heel meets toe to force a smaller base of support. It's a challenge. You may hold on as needed, but try to reduce support gradually. Keep the chair close for safety. Rest anytime. I think we're nearly finished. Keep practicing heel to toe. Okay. Next exercise, pillow squats. Use a cushion or 1 or 2 pillows. The more, the easier. Sit on the pillows, chair in front. Cross your arms at your chest, lean forward and rise. I'm doing it hands-free, that's the target. But don't aim for full 2 minutes. Pause whenever needed. Do a few reps, stop, or 10 and rest briefly. Go at your pace, keep at it for 2 minutes. If hard, push off, that still brings benefit. Push, rise, sit again, try to stand tall each time. Don't brace legs against the chair. If you do, push more with hands. You can use the chair in front. Even with hands helping, it's beneficial. This works quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes, all crucial for walking. That's nearly all leg muscles besides calves. Experts call this the best lower body strengthening drill because it works them all. It also elevates heart rate. Hear me slightly breathless. It definitely makes you winded. And pushing off is fine. Just 2 more and we're done. I think 2 left and done. Now backward stepping. Hold the chair, face forward, and step back 3 steps, turn, and repeat. Notice I let go. That's the aim. I lift my feet and step behind. If that's tough, hold on. Hold each time at first if needed, but let go more as you progress. Keep the chair nearby for safety. Be confident. This retrains balance. Each step shifts weight onto one leg before the other moves back. Don't slide. If sliding, hold the chair and practice lifting. That builds proper stepping. You may wonder why practice this. You rarely walk back? But actually everyone does. Getting dressed, showering, cooking, all require occasional back steps. Studies show without practice, you lose the skill. Then, when needed, you struggle. But if you rehearse it, backward stepping feels natural and easier. We're nearly finished. Knees bent as you move. Always keep them bent. Last one, and done. I hope this video was useful. Hit subscribe if you'd like more content like this.